To integrate FreshBooks into Shopify, you need to start by logging into your Shopify account and navigating to the Shopify App Store. Search for FreshBooks and click on the FreshBooks app to begin the installation process. Click the Add App button to install the FreshBooks app in your Shopify store. Next, you will be redirected to the FreshBooks website where you need to log in to your FreshBooks account. If you do not have a FreshBooks account, you can sign up for one at this stage. After logging in, you will be asked to authorize the connection between FreshBooks and Shopify. Click the Authorize button to grant permission. Once the connection is established, you will be redirected back to your Shopify store. In the FreshBooks app, click on the Configure button to set up the integration. Here, you can choose which data you want to sync between FreshBooks and Shopify, such as invoices, customers, and orders. In the configuration settings, you can also specify the syncing frequency, which can be set to automatically sync data at regular intervals. Make sure to save your configuration settings to complete the integration. Now that FreshBooks is integrated into your Shopify store, you can start syncing data between the two platforms. To do this, navigate to the Orders page in your Shopify store and click on the More Actions button next to an order. Select Send to FreshBooks to sync the order data with FreshBooks. In FreshBooks, you can then create an invoice based on the synced order data. The invoice will include all the relevant details, such as the customer information, order total, and payment status. You can also track the payment status of the invoice in FreshBooks and receive notifications when a payment is made. By integrating FreshBooks into your Shopify store, you can streamline your accounting and invoicing processes, saving you time and reducing errors. The integration also enables you to keep track of your financial data in one place, making it easier to manage your business finances.